Section 2.4, number 40. We're given the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x plus 34, and we are told to solve this one by completing the square. Okay. Now, remember, completing the square, we have a form of x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We take half of b, square it, add it, and subtract it. So x squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared plus c is equal to 0. We move this stuff to the other side. We add this and subtract that. So we're going to get x squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared is equal to b over 2 squared minus c. This is going to be a perfect square. X plus b over 2 squared is equal to b over 2 squared minus c. And then we take the square roots of both sides. X plus b over 2 is going to be equal to plus or minus the square root of b over 2 squared minus c. And this might be real or imaginary, as we saw in the previous problem. And then we subtract the b over 2 to the other side. X is equal to minus b over 2 plus or minus square root b over 2 squared minus c. Okay, so that's our generic case. For this particular problem, the b that we have is equal to 6. So our b over 2 is going to be 3. So we're going to take 3, square it, add it, and subtract it. All right, minus 3. Okay, so x squared minus 6x. Well, minus 3 squared is the same thing as 3 squared minus times a minus, right? So we're going to get a plus 9 and a minus 9. Okay, well, we can combine these pieces. Minus 9 plus 34 is equal to 25, okay, positive 25. And we can subtract that over to the other side. X squared minus 6x plus 9 equals to negative 25. Okay, this is a perfect square. X minus 3 squared, okay, right, because this is minus 3 squared added and subtracted. It's equal to minus 25. Now we take the square roots of both sides. Right? We have to allow for the positive and negative, but this negative is underneath, so it becomes an I. Square root of 25 becomes a 5, right? So we're going to get x minus 3 is equal to positive or negative 5i. And then we add 3 to both sides. That'll cancel here, so x is equal to 3 plus or minus 5i. Or, if we want to be very careful about this, we have two possible solutions. X equals 3 plus 5i, or x is equal to 3 minus 5i. Okay. I should stop doing